Hi, I'm Will. Today we'll go over the assembly of the Feelgoodz corrugated cardboard display. To get started, we will need a few pieces. First, the main panel of the display. Next, the base. This will include one vertical divider if you have a single-sided display base, plus the body of the base. If you have a double-sided display base, you will have two vertical dividers, plus the body of the base. Let's assemble the double-sided display base first. Following the instructions in the illustrated guide, start by setting the base in place and folding both sides of the base 90 degrees upwards. Next, take your vertical divider and align the angled shoulders with the angled folds in the base. Close the angled folds over the vertical divider and fit the tabs into the slots in the base. Fold the end of the base up and over and into the space created by the vertical divider. Now take your next vertical divider and align it with the folds on the other side of the base. Repeat the previous folds for this side, starting with the angled folds, then the square end. Finally, close the two tabs at the top of the base to lock the vertical dividers into place. If you have a single-sided display base, begin by folding up the sides of the base as before. Fold the large square panels inwards, then fold the flat back of the display over them both and into place. Now take your vertical divider and align it with the folds in the front of the base. Close the angled folds over the vertical divider and fit the tabs into the slots in the base. Fold the end of the base up and over so that the tabs at the end fit into the slots below. Finally, close the two tabs at the top of the base to lock the vertical divider into place. Now it is time to assemble the internal supports. Fold the sides up 90 degrees and lock the tabs into place. Repeat 2 more times. Slide the header down over the tower and lock the tower down over the header flaps. Slide the 3 supports into the tower. Briefly check that the top of the main panel is neatly folded together. Insert the main panel into the base. Now insert the hooks into the slots in the main panel. Your Feelgoodz corrugated cardboard display is finished. Now you can fill it with Feelgoodz products and set it out on the sales floor. Thanks for watching.